helps the eyelashes to grip when you apply them. The mascara that I'm using is by MAC. It's called In Extreme Dimension. If you're like me and you really love a black waterline, I would definitely recommend Feline by MAC. It's a jet black coal-like eyeliner, which is why I love it so much. When applying your fake eyelashes, just make sure that the glue is really sticky and tacky. That way you know that when you're applying it onto your actual lashes, it's really going to stick. I also find that pinching your eyelashes with the fake eyelashes really help make it look natural. Now I'm just dusting off the excess powder, setting powder that's on my face, using a Real Techniques brush. Yeah, as you can see, like it just blends in really nice. It doesn't leave any ashy, finishy, powdery look. When your makeup is not even done, but you're gassed because you can just see the vision. Now I'm using a Real Techniques Duo Fiber brush to apply my highlight. This highlight is by MAC. It's called Soft and Gentle. Soft and Gentle will always be my favourite. I really love it, and it doesn't give me that ashy finish that everyone seems to be talking about, so yeah. So yeah, if you're like me and you love the spider eyelash effect thing, yeah, this is for you. I layer on mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I drown, I bathe in setting spray. Like, it's not finished. There's more. And this is the final look, ladies.